Sarbanes-Oxley exists because of the Enron scandal, basically, and with issue and problems with companies going belly up or misreporting financial results, and their investors, oftentimes pension funds or individual investors who are retired, and maybe they were an employee of that company for a lot of years. They tried to retire on their company's stock and now it's worthless. That's really who Sarbanes-Oxley is there to protect. It's not necessarily there in the first instance to protect the employee, but what it tries to promote is transparency by the company in its financial reporting and in the integrity of its financial reporting, to its shareholders and to the public in general. Sarbox does have an anti-retaliation provision. So if you are an internal whistleblower who, for example, goes to the general counsel's office, the ethics hotline, to somebody in a position of authority in the company and says, hey, I'm noticing that this particular adverse condition that's going to affect the stock price has not been fronted with the shareholders. And that's a problem because, we're down the road a ways on doing this. That's going to give rise to a right to anti-retaliation protection under Sarbox. Another thing that is actually protected by Sarbanes-Oxley, and this is kind of lesser known, is if the financial systems at a company are flimsy or they don't have good internal controls over the integrity of their financial data. That's also a situation where Sarbanes-Oxley encourages a whistleblower to step up and say, hey, you've got an internal controls problem here where the financial information that investors are being given isn't reliable. That too will trigger Sarbanes-Oxley protection for whistleblowers.